how to log in to your AMEX account. And now AMEX means American Express, which is also known as AMEX. So let's just go with that. Now before moving on with the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're new and hit the bell icon so that you get notified when our new video comes out. Now let's start with the video. First, open up a web browser that you usually use and then search for American Express login. Now after you've typed that in, just click on login. Now after this page loads up, go to the login section that's on the top right, and then here you will get to put in your user ID, password and account type. Now just type in your user ID that you have and then just type in your password. After you do so, choose your account type. Choose the cards and banking or membership awards or merchant account or American Express at work. After you do so, you can either choose your browser to remember you or not. And then just click on login. After you click on login, you'll be able to log into your AMEX account. And that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned. Bye bye.